What's up, y'all? This is your boy Jack, back again with another video. Today we're going to be doing a 3-week review of the Soul S-Nano True Wireless Earbuds. But before we get started, I would highly appreciate it if you guys could do that cool YouTube stuff and help your boy out by liking, commenting, sharing, subscribing, and hitting that little bell icon so you can get notified when I drop new content. It costs you nothing, and I really appreciate it because it really does help out the channel. Your boy trying to beat that algorithm, y'all. So thank you in advance. So first things first, I'm going to touch on the specs right quick. They come in 6 different colors: black, lime green, yellow, frost white, peach, and the blue version that I have right here for this review. They're Bluetooth version 5.0, IPX5 water resistant, Android and iOS compatible with no app, USB-C charging, which is a plus, 24 hours of playtime total with the case is advertised. I got about 20 hours or so with the case, which is about 5.5 hours per bud per listening session at max volume. So I assume at around 75%, you should be able to hit that advertised mark with no issues. You can listen to one earbud at a time. They have transparency mode, low latency for watching video content, and I can confirm that it works seamlessly. No lag at all, which is a good thing. And the current price as of this video in April 2021 is $60. So next up, I got the strengths. They have good bass, clear highs, and mids. Definitely good for listening to music. Me, myself, I listen to hip hop and R&B, but I did test with rock, pop, and country, and different podcasts and YouTube, and it all sounded fine. They're small and compact. They're very comfortable for extended all-day use. They're good for the gym and walking and even some light running. They are USB-C, like I mentioned earlier, and the touch controls work great. Now on to the weaknesses. Quality is subpar at best. I probably wouldn't use these for long conversations, but in a pinch, they are passable. Also, the transparency mode works, but it sounds robotic. So now on to my final thoughts. At $60, they're not worth it in my opinion. Maybe if they had a coupon for $20 or $30 off, but not at full price in my humble opinion. But hey, I'm just some guy on YouTube. Well, with that being said, I'm not going to take up too much more of your time, and I'm going to get you guys up out of here. Please like, share, and subscribe, and thank you in advance. Y'all take care of each other. Peace.